Okay, guys, this is a recording. So apparently, a car exploded on my street.
Stop talking.
I'm not talking so loud. I just want to find this house.
Oh my gosh.
If a house explodes because a car ran into it because there was someone having a seizure inside, that's a pretty big deal.
Oh, that's sad.
Yeah, the car exploded. The guy's dead, and it happened on our street. So
Tanya said that the house is like some of it is broken and then some of it's still intact.
So like, okay.
It's near her house, like 5 houses away from hers.
Oh, it's on the other side of the street?
Yeah.
Why are we going this way?
Well, this way's closer than that way now.
Oh.
So, oh my gosh, this is so sad.
Okay, let's keep going. Was that one of your friends?
Yeah.
Wow. So a car legit exploded?
I think so.
That's... Whoa. You guys are probably not going to believe me. Because if this video ends before I get to it, then no one's going to believe me.
Okay, let's go.
This is insane. What the hell? I only see stuff like this on TV, so... You guys want to skip to the part where I find the house? Go ahead. Alright. So... Is that the house?
I don't know.
That can't be the...
Oh, it is.
It is? Okay. So, I'm just gonna walk past it, guys. Like, my phone like this. Can't really show you much, but... Alright, that's it. Jeez, that's something. If you've ever seen a house explode, let me know in the comments. Yeah, that's pretty weird. Pretty insane, actually. Alright, see you in the next one, guys.
You have to make sure it doesn't show any house numbers.
It didn't. The house numbers blew up. Okay, bye.